And now let me talk a little bit about what we do. You guys are familiar with algorithms, right? Most of you guys are. An algorithm is simply a process or set of rules. It's important you understand the real definition of it. A process or a set of rules that are finite. They're usually done by a computer. They can be done by a person. You can have your own. You can have your own charts, and you could actually do it on a spreadsheet if you wanted to. But an algorithm is a finite set of rules. If this, then that. If Apple hits $100, buy it. If Apple drops 10%, sell it. It's finite. It's where a lot of stop loss type of thought processes come in, and you're able to create rules that are algorithmic. However, there's a problem with algorithms. An algorithm is great. It's probably better than a person if built correctly, but for the algorithm to change, what has to happen? How does an algorithm get changed? A person. A person has to change it. Artificial intelligence is a little different. Artificial intelligence is the same thing as an algorithm except one thing. That algorithm receives data from other algorithms, and then it learns and changes its own rules based on the mathematics. The machine itself learns. It's important for you guys to understand that, even in your position, because these two get mixed up a lot. Lots of people that have algorithms claim to have AI. So when someone tells you, wow, it's artificial intelligence, you say, okay, great. Can the core algorithm that's doing the execution change its own rules? Or does a person have to intervene? If a person has to intervene, it is not AI. It is just an algorithm. And it's important to get that. And today, right now, from what I know, I'm always open to being wrong, we're the only one out there right now that has a true AI-driven engine managing what we call Smart Folios. A lot different than an algorithm. A lot different than an algorithm. And it all came from this guy. And like I said, especially if you're a mathematician, have a good conversation with him. He went to Stanford. That's pretty cool. Oh, wait, he went to Stanford when he was 16. That's pretty good. In the physics program at that. Has advanced degrees in statistics, mathematics, finance. Ran the global risk test for Deutsche Bank, which, if you don't know what that means, the bank itself handed him $6 billion to use mathematics around. You guys heard of a guy named Paul Tudor Jones? Kelly Rose algorithms. Worked for all different places. He's also a massive crypto enthusiast and spent the last almost 4 years now managing and practicing the AI on crypto. Like Daryl said, we've been doing it internally, mapping it, getting it ready to go, because you can't, AI can't do an IPO, right? There's no data for it to learn from. So it had to go for a little while before it could start trading crypto. So he's the author of it. All trading, investing questions go to him. All right, I'm just a software guy. All right? So we're clear on that. So basically what we've done is we've built the next generation of investing. We leverage AI technology to automate it, decrease risk, and increase wealth. It is a fully automated machine. You could use it like Robinhood and trade yourself. Come see me, I'll show you my portfolio. I'll show you both my personal portfolios. All the losses are on Randy trading himself, and the AI is doing just fine. I set out to be an example and try and see if I could beat it, and it's actually cost me quite a bit of money trying to beat it myself.